That's the sound of my coffee maker you hear. I know, it's unprofessional to have it going in the background during a video that you intend to publish for a live audience, but guess what? That's the age we're living in now. Perfection, studios, television executives from the network telling you what you can and you can't publish, or never speaking to you because you're not significant. It's not a factor. That is no longer an obstacle standing in the way of you, the story you have to share, the message you want to send along, or a drama you want to perform, or anything, and your potential audience. In this digital age, in this mass social media experiment that we're all a part of and none of us really know because it changes every day, the face of public speaking is entirely different than it ever has been. And the face of media broadcasting is entirely different. Except it's all still kind of the same thing as someone standing in front of a crowd of their friends. It's still a human being who has something to say, communicating it in all sorts of different ways. Words, body language, volume, pitch, tone, all the surroundings that go into it, what we wear, how we dress ourselves up, how we groom. Everything sends a message. It's just the nature of how that message comes across is so different from the way we understood it at any time before. And if you're just now growing up in this, it's the only thing you've known. But let me tell you, it's crazy different than anything I could have predicted. I mean, maybe somebody predicted it. But I believe that this new age, this digital social media age, requires a new sort of education in public speaking. And that's what I'm interested in presenting. Not necessarily all the upper levels of fine-tuning your message and learning how to market yourself to as big of an audience as possible. What I'm mostly concerned with is presenting your message, getting it out there, having the guts to get it out, stand up in front of an audience, whatever that audience might be, whether it's live, whether it's out in the middle of nowhere, or whether you're broadcasting it to a zillion people. I want to help you get from the place of I have nothing to say and I'm not the person to be talking to anyone. And I'm important, I have a valuable voice, and I want it to be heard. That is my goal, to get you heard. And that does involve getting you over the hurdles that you're putting in your way on your own. You can do this. And I believe you should. Come on. Happy speaking.